Hi, I'm Marc Luff. I'm a farmer here at Paicines Ranch, and we're just letting the turkeys out in the morning and giving them some fresh pasture. These turkeys, they may eat about half their diet out here on the range, so they're eating bugs and grass seeds. Here we have the seeds of the tall wheatgrass plant. It's a perennial grass. So these guys are helping to clean up the pasture behind the sheep and the cows. So they're eating all sorts of bugs that might grow in their manure, and they're basically fertilizing the grass as well, so they're making more forage for our ruminants. They eat certified organic grains. That's maybe about half their diet, and the other half is what they find here. You see turkeys have these nice long legs, so the wild turkeys will range about 300 to 500 acres of space. So we try to constantly be giving these guys fresh space so that they are almost the nutritional quality of a wild turkey. But also we make sure that they have a nice balanced ration to stay healthy and grow fast, so you have that good high quality Thanksgiving turkey as well. We even have a homemade custom turkey feeder here that's designed for an older turkey so they don't have to bend over so much to eat. So these guys get the royal treatment here. These are the broad-breasted whites, it's a standard industry bird, and the reason we do that is so the carcass has a nice color without pin feathers, so you get the turkey look that you're used to on Thanksgiving, and the quality of the broad-breasted white, which has a lot of good breast meat. The turkey thankfully retains a lot of its wild attributes. As you can see, it remains a really good forager, despite being a more conventional breed, what people are used to seeing. They live in the brooder for the first 3.5 to 4 weeks, and then we get them out into mobile pens, as you can see over there, and they live in there from weeks 3.5 to 7.5 or 8. And the reason is because they haven't yet developed the instincts to run away from the hawks. So right now if I yell like a hawk, you may see that they are really aware. So, you see how their head came up like that? So they've developed a sense to run to their house if there's a threat. So owls, hawks, all sorts of things love to eat turkey. Basically, once they get to about 8 weeks, they develop that sense. They also develop the sense where they want to sleep up off the ground. As you can see, this crew up here still hasn't woken up from their slumber. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you support the Paicines Ranch products and come here to learn at many of the future events.